The beloved Promethean Whiteboard app offers endless possibilities and is perfect for every level and content area. To access the whiteboard, tap Applications, then the Whiteboard app from the Applications locker. The toolbar resides on the left side of the window by default. Within the toolbar, you will find the menu, including New, Open, Save Options, Export Options, Toolbar Position, and Close, followed by Save As, Multi-User Mode, Backgrounds, Insert Image, the Selector tool, the Pen and Highlighter tools, both with varied widths, 5 default ink colors, and the color palette, the Eraser tool and widths, Clear All Annotations, and Math tools. Finally, there's Undo and Redo.